So this is how I got it in. It came in this box right here. You just see it says for basically porch, window boxes, things like that. Each one was individually wrapped like this, so we don't really need the box anymore. And let me just show you what all you get with these things. So you get the actual like baskets right here, the hang baskets. They come with a hook. They've got a chain and a hook, and then it goes down in there like that. That kind of looks like dirt. Then you get this little like plastic crown thing, goes in the center, and you're gonna get each one of these little ferns. By the way, these basically will start looking like ferns. You're gonna plug in each fern like this right here, that you need to separate them. So it's like little wire separation, and it looks like the quality's pretty good of these things. The way it looks, they just kind of pop on like that. Let me go ahead, put all these together, get them hung up, and then I'll come back and I'll show y'all what these things look like, because I think they're gonna look awesome. So let's do that now. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just went ahead and installed it all up here. Check out how nice this thing turned out. So you see how it looks right here. I got it right here. You know what? I got my prayer flags up there. It's hanging from one's over here, and then I hung another one up right over here, and it looks almost like a real plant. You guys see that? Look how nicely these two ended up looking. Once you kind of fan them all out, it was very simple. I've got a little basic hook right up there. They don't weigh much at all, so you don't have to worry about watering them. You don't have to worry about them getting sun. You just put them up wherever you want. These can be indoor or outdoor, or pretty much anywhere you want to put them. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, you know, the fake ferns, houseplants. Outdoor, indoor. See y'all in the next video.